Hello! Today we're going to talk about how to define words and fill out this form that you will be filling out for all of your vocabulary words every month. Okay? So, up here, it shows us what the word is that we're going to look for. And today the word is group. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to our search bar and we're going to type in Word Central. And that's where we come to here. And this is an online dictionary. So instead of leafing through all the pages in a dictionary, you can just type in the words you want. So we're going to type in here in the search bar, group, and hit go. Okay, so over here, it says, there are 3 entries found for group. To select an entry, click on it. So we're going to select the noun. Okay, and now it comes down here, group. It's a function is a noun. So we go back to our form right here. We go to our drawing tool. And we're going to check off that it is a noun, a person, a place, or a thing. And go back. So, a group is a number of objects or persons considered as a unit, a number of living things having some natural relationship, or B, a combination of atoms commonly found together in a molecule, or 3, a small band. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the definition for number 1, and that is a number of objects or persons considered as a unit. And I'm going to go back over here, and under what is the definition, I'm going to first click here. I'm going to go to home. And then I'm going to click here and a box is going to come up. Okay? So I forgot what my definition was. So I'm going to click. Whoops. Back over here. It's a number of objects or persons considered as a unit. So a number of objects or persons considered a unit. I'm going to just write that right there. Okay. Then I'm going to click down here. And I have to write a sentence using the word group. So, group, there are a group of kids waiting to get into school. So as you see, it will scroll down. What you can do is just drag it if you want, but I can still see it. Words in groups. For example, cars and trucks are both vehicles. So, what we can do here is we can put things that could be in a group. So, let's say butterflies and grasshoppers are both groups of insects. And then again, I ran out of room, so I can drag that to make it fit. Words that are about the same in meaning. For example, a truck or a semi. So, a group, or what's a word that is similar to a group? It could be a bushel, like a bushel of apples. Oops. Okay, so that's how you do that part. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go back up here and you're going to go in your search bar and you're going to do group of dogs. Let's just choose that. You could do a group of anything. So here I have numerous pictures of groups of dogs, right? So I'm going to right click on it and I am going to do copy image. And now I'm going to go back and right here I'm going to right click again. I'm going to hit paste. And there's my group of dogs. So you're going to make that picture fit right in there. And that, my dears, is the way you complete this page.